how to download eFootball PES. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can download eFootball PES game, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now this tutorial is actually for mobile users. If you are on PC you have to download it via Steam, but if you are on Android or your iOS it's very simple. Open your Play Store or maybe your App Store. Once you do that, in the search box you just want to go ahead, make sure to type in eFootball over here. Once you go ahead and then basically type in eFootball over here, hit the search button, you'll be able to see the first game on the list, which is basically called eFootball PES. So this is the game that you basically want to download. In my case, I've already downloaded, so maybe you just want to go ahead and then make sure to actually hit the install button if you haven't already done so. Also make sure that this is actually quite a heavy game, so you want to make sure that you have enough storage on your device. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then download eFootball PES. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.